G'day guys, and welcome back. This is going to be a relatively short video. I've had some stickers come in and I need a bit of help. I've had some stickers come in from Cam over at the Battler Workshop, Battler Engineering Works. Beautiful stickers, Cam. Big thick bastards. So thanks very much for that, Cam. They'll be going up on the board in a moment. I've got another one from Curtis, different style this time, from Cutting Edge Engineering. So thanks very much, Curtis, for that. I really appreciate that. And I got some oil from Live Tools. I'm going to give this oil a go. This Hankster Fizz Way Clear 2 for the way oil on the machines. I heard it's meant to be pretty good, so I'm going to give it a crack. Fast delivery, excellent to deal with. They also threw in one of these as well, the bearing tool, and some stickers for the sticker door. I've got the Hankster Fizz ones, Live Tools, a couple more Live Tool ones, and then Involute fast machining sticker. So they'll be all going on the new door, on the new cupboard. Like I said in the last stickers bit, I was not going to put any more down on the lower section of the other door because then I'd get knocked around too much, so I'll start off the new door. Now I need a bit of help with this tool and cutter grinder with the wiring of the motor. I'll put a couple of shots up here of underneath the black cap of the diagram it's got under there. I pulled the end off the motor. There is no centrifugal switch. I pulled the motor over 1,000 times at speed to see if there is a switch that throws out. There is no switch in there, and I can't find a diagram anywhere on the internet to tell me how to wire it up forward and reverse. So if anyone's got any ideas on how to wire this thing up, I'd truly appreciate your help. I really want to get this thing fired up and see how this new spindle's going to go, see if that's going to be a success or not. And really, I'm not far off being able to actually sharpen something. So I'd like to get that wiring sorted out, at least so I can spin it up and see if it's going to be any good or not. So if you can please offer a bit of help or give me some ideas on how to wire this thing up, I'd really appreciate it. Another thing that's come in is I ordered an ER40 spanner. It was cheaper to buy one than it was to go and get a bit of plate, screw around, try and machine one out of it. Not overly happy with how it actually fits the collet, the nut, so I might have to modify that a little bit, but it'll work. So I might even jump on the Cincinnati and give this critter a run. I haven't used it yet, see how it's going to go. Anyway, we'll flick over to the door and throw some stickers up. Righto, first one I'll put up here is Cam. I heard on the grapevine Cam wanted to be the first one on this this new door. So you got your wish, Cam. Pretty fancy stickers, aren't they? Thanks, Cam. You up on the door, man? Thanks, Curtis. Looks good up there, right? Thanks, Live Tools. Appreciate what you've done. Beautiful. Won't take long to fill this door up, eh? That's what I like. Australian made. There we go. She's quarter full already. You're getting a good selection of stickers on these doors. Now I've ran out of stickers myself. I've put in another order of another 100. So if anyone's emailed that wants stickers and I've missed them, please email me again, and I'll get them out to you. So, righto, this is just a piece of block that I had. Just my camera normally sits on the mag base, normally sits on this one. Just heavy and yeah, it doesn't seem to want to fall over anywhere. So got the fly cutter, and I should really make a bigger fly cutter now. Another job on the list to do. But we'll give it a run, see how this is going to go. Oh, well, that turned out alright. I think that head might need tramming in a fraction too. It's a bit out. Well, there we have it. So if anyone's got any suggestions or can draw me up a diagram on how to wire this motor up, I'd really appreciate it. I'm keen to get this project finished. I just want to get it finished and done, at least to the stage where I can sharpen some end mills and go on from there. I'm happy that collar chuck works alright. I probably need to tram that head in again on the Cincinnati, but it's good enough for now. And yeah, thanks to all the guys who have sent some stickers in too. I appreciate that. So like I say, I've got another batch of stickers getting made now. I put the order in on Friday. So probably in a week I suppose, and I'll have them. So if you want some stickers, let me know. And yeah, like I say, I'm keen to get this thing spinning. So if anyone can give me some help, I'd really appreciate it. Anyway guys, thank you, and see you shortly.